for this video, I would like us to look at some of the answers to the questions that we answered in the classroom, or some of the work that we looked at this week, particularly the vocabulary and the grammar. I won't be going into a lot of detail about the definitions and the meanings of the word. That we've already discussed, and there is a separate video on that, but I'll be focused mostly on how to answer the questions and what we're looking for when we're looking for the answers to the questions. The vocabulary, starting with the vocabulary, looking at the word myopic, the question here is write a complex sentence using this word. Very simple question. And we look at some of the answers that the students gave in the classroom. The first answer, the student said, that day I discovered that I am myopic. And the second one is he needs to have a mind that is not myopic. So I think as long as you have followed the principles of a complex sentence and use the word in the sentence, which is what is needed, then you should be able to get this absolutely fine and get it right. The second word is foresight. And these answers that I'm actually given come from students in the classroom. So these aren't my own answers. This is what the students have understood and answered. And all of them, I'm happy to say, are 100% correct. The question is the same, write a complex sentence using this word, and the word here is foresight. And we'll read the answers from the students. I've got years of foresight, so I can escape jail. I have foresight, so I can see something from far away. I have foresight that there will not be any exams. I told the student that was more of a wish than foresight. But yes, again, using the word in the sentence also helps to define the sentence. So those are very good sentences. Here, we were only able to get one, so I'm just going to read the one that we have. The word is naivete, and the sentence was, actually, it was Yazid's with the S. Naivete allowed him to trust a criminal, which I thought was a very good sentence. Again, the complex sentence using the word. Prescient, again, we only were able to get one good, clear answer there to the word prescient, also used in a complex sentence. I was playing and my father gave me a prescient warning that I'm going to bang my head, right? So the warning there with far-seeing and predictive, right? And the fifth one, we got a few answers there. Enable. Enable, I think, was a little bit more easier to understand. Again, a complex sentence using this word. And the students' answers. The teacher enabled me to check the exam. The king enabled the citizens to have parties during the lockdown. My partner enabled me to do the mission. All very good sentences and all 100% right. I think the students understood that one a little bit better than the others. So that's why the sentences were more forthcoming. The last one was seminal. This one was a little bit more difficult, but again, a complex sentence using the word, and the students answered the coronavirus is seminal on the people, meaning coronavirus has an effect on the people, and the coach is seminal on the referee with money. So the coach used money to influence the referee. And that's it for the vocabulary. I'd like us to go into the grammar. Here we looked at three kinds of words: homonyms, homophones, and homographs. There we defined each of the words, gave some examples, right? Each of the parts of grammar, rather, gave some examples, and the students had to give 2 examples of homonyms of their own and explain them, right? So the first one was lift and lift, right? Lift meaning to pick something up. Lift also meaning to give somebody a ride somewhere, right? So I will give you a lift. The students said cell and cell. The one was a jail cell and the other one was like a cell phone, right? So I should have a comma there. So cell and cell were the two homonyms there. Very good answers. The homophones, again here you had to give two homophones of your own and explain the meanings, right? The first one we got was ate and ate. Ate meaning the past tense of eating, and then 8 is the number 8. The second one was meet, meaning like a meeting or to come together, and the third, the meat and meat. Meat is the food that we eat, whether it be chicken or mutton. So meat and meat. Homographs. We had here. Sorry, I thought I'd change this. So it should be give two homographs of your own and explain what they mean. So the first one was evening, which means to make smooth or to balance something out. So if things are made even, they are made smooth or they're balancing out. And the other one, evening, means after the sun has set or in the late afternoon. When we greet you, we say good evening, right? To indicate that time of the day. And this one is minute or minute, right? Minute means very tiny or very little. And then minute is a unit of time. In other words, it is 60 seconds. So that's what we were looking for in terms of questions and answers this week. I hope that you find this video helpful, and I hope that you are all safe and well at home. We'll see you again with the next video. Thank you for your time and have a good day. Bye.